Face covering is now mandatory when you go to a store. Am I looking good? I think so. This is my netbook, 10-year-old netbook. You can use Linux as your main operating system. It is not at all difficult. Many people think that Linux comes with a terminal. There is also very good user interface if you want.
Yeah, but it's so small.
So what I'll do, I'll create a separate user for you. Okay, you can log in with your own account. Right now it says Ravi.
Can I choose the password?
Yeah, you can choose your own password, but it will be your own password. Okay, don't tell anyone your password. So what do you want your username to be?
That's why I'm telling you.
No, you can tell me the username, but not the password.
Unicorn name.
Okay, so that will be your name, Unicorn Rainbow. Unicorn Rainbow is your username. Oopsie, I have to add sudo in front of it. So now your username is created. Now you have to set your password. So I'll use a command called sudo passwd unicorn rainbow. Type your password.
It's not doing anything.
When you type password, nothing will appear here, but it is actually entered. You can't look when you're typing. Press enter. Ooh, this password is shorter than 8 characters. So computer is saying that you have to choose better, but it's okay. Can you type the same password again? So it says password all authentication tokens updated successfully. So let us log in with your account now. So now what we have to do, it says Unicorn Rainbow. See, you can see here, it says my name. So I have an account and you have your own account. Now
Delete that.
no, don't delete it. It's also my computer. When you learn how to work on it properly, then I can delete it from this.
Will I see dots?
You will only see dots. Yeah, very good. Whenever you type passwords, you have to always memorize your password. Okay. When you're typing, you can also use your other hand. You can use both the hands.
Why?
Because it will be quicker. When you're using just one hand. Yeah, exactly.
I can't do that.
No, you can do that. You have to learn how to do that. Whenever you have to type any keys on this side, you use your left hand. Whenever you have to type any keys on the right side, you use your other hand. So it says login failed. So I think your password is wrong. Can you remove it and type it again? Yay, it is correct now. So you can see this. You can see this cursor. This is the very first time you are trying to log in. So it will take some time, maybe a couple of minutes to set up your desktop. You know what a desktop is?
No.
See, this is your desktop. It looks so cute.
I don't like it.
You want to change the picture?
Yeah. I want a unicorn.
You want a unicorn? We can change it. So today we will learn some basic commands. And do you know the operating system that we are using?
What's that?
So when you work on a computer, work on an operating system. Or when you play with my mobile, you work on an operating system. Do you know the name of that system? It is Android. You know that. When you work on Mummy's computer, you work on Windows. This operating system is called as Linux. Linux is the best operating system. Do you know that? Can you click on this black thing? Ooh, so this is a terminal. Can you make it full screen? So right now the window is small. So now the window is big. And now you can see your own name. You can ask computer to tell you the time. If you type in here date, then it will tell you the time. Can you type in date? Yeah, now press enter. Ooh, it says Saturday, July 25th. So let us click on desktop settings. Is it okay? This color?
Yeah, that's right.
Can you type in who am I? It will tell you your name. So what we'll do, we'll practice on this laptop every day or some time so that you can learn how to work on Linux. Can you type in LS? Yeah, press enter. It says desktop, downloads, pictures, template.
Yeah, I want this computer filled with games.
No, we can't really fill it with games.
Okay, just Roblox. Okay, now.
Tell me, do you know what a file is? Okay, when you look at a picture, that photograph is saved on mobile, isn't it? So that photograph is a file. When you watch a video on YouTube, that video is also a file. So on a computer, you can have different files and you can save those files in these folders. For example, you have a folder for document, you have a folder for music. When you type in this command ls, it will display the files and folders in your directory. Do you know what a directory is? On a computer, you can have thousands and millions of files, but to organize these files properly, you can create a folder. Folder is like a group of files.
How do you make a video?
You want to make a video. So right now we are making a video. I'm making a video which is getting recorded on this camera, and this video is saved. This video is also a file. So whenever you work on computer, you work on a file which is saved somewhere. Okay, do you want to see what is inside downloads? When you're working on a terminal, you have to use your keyboard. If you have to go inside a folder, type in CD. You know what is the meaning of CD? So CD means change directory. Now press space And now type in download, because you have to go inside download. D should be capital because because when you look at the directory here, it is capital D. So do you know how to type capital D?
Yeah.
Hold the shift key and then press D. Can you type in O?
I know. Okay, I can.
Okay, you can see. But I wanted to show you a trick. Now you can keep on typing the whole name, but you can be quick. If you press tab, can you press tab?
Yeah.
On the left. Yeah. Can you press it one more time? Use your left hand. Yeah, press it. There are two folders starting with D and O. Now download has a W. So can you press W?
Okay, I'm doing it.
Now press tab again. So when you type in tab, you don't have to type in the whole name. You're so quick. I'm showing you a trick. Now you can type in enter and it will go inside download folder. And do you want to see what is inside this?
I want to see what's inside download.
Yeah, you want to see what is inside download. So right now you are inside download folder. You can see here download. But so whenever you type ls, it will list all the files. It will show you all the files. Can you type it again?
ls.
Yeah, ls. It means list. Yeah. Press enter. Ooh, so right now there are no files in the directory. This is the end of the lesson and we learned so many things today. Do you want to become an expert like me? Why?
Because I don't want to, so I don't want
Do you want to play? Do you want to learn how to make games?
that.
Yeah. So when you make a game, you have to work on a computer, and for working on a computer, you have to learn computer really
Why
well.
not on the phone?
You can also make games on a phone, but even to make a game for a phone, you have to work on computer. So it is very important. And if you want to learn computers really well, you have to learn Linux that I'm teaching you right now. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I am trying to teach my daughter how to work on Linux. Do you want to say bye bye?
Please subscribe to our channel.
Bye bye.